Hey guys, Miami Gunna here. Thanks for watching again. This is my Tech 9. I repaired the lower receiver. As you guys know, a lot of Tech 9s, the lower frame cracks because they're made out of cheap polymer. So as you can see here, I had repaired it with some hot staples. I did the plastic, repair. I trimmed it and I just wanted to test it before anything. So here you can see I just cut the staples, but it still looked rough. I'm gonna, clean up the plastic eventually. But again, I just wanted to touch fire it. So yeah, in this video, you're gonna see how I'm touch firing it. The only failure in the video is that I only tested it with a 50 round magazine, and the 50 round magazine is an aftermarket. So the aftermarket magazine was giving me feeding issues, but the gun itself cycled. I wasn't even running 115 grain, I was running 124. It didn't crack the frame anymore or anything like that. So the plastic repair was definitely successful. I'm just still having issues with the 50 round mag. I didn't test the 30 round mags this range day, but next range day I'm gonna do a comparison of different mags. I'm even gonna buy an aftermarket one. But again, thank you guys for watching. Here's the live video of me firing.
All right, we are here with the repaired Tech 9. Let's see if it breaks or what. Live rounds getting fucked. This 50 round mag sucks. Another round. It's feeding them shit sideways. What the fuck was that? Hold on. Watch the chamber. That shit just blew up. Look at the chunks. What the fuck was that? Zoom in there. What the fuck? How did that bullet go off like that? It just bit it. Look at the brass. You see the brass?
Mm-hmm.
How the fuck did that happen?
That shit's crazy, boy.
Yo, I guess the bolt just snapped the primer.
Oh, shit.
The Tech 9 was not successful, guys.
Frankenstein Tech 9.
They're on. The Tech 9 another.
Go ahead.
We're giving the Tech 9 another chance. Let's see if a round doesn't blow up again. Yeah, it's the mag. The round is like, fuck it. Yeah, we're not running this shitty.
So as you guys probably saw, the main issue I was having was feeding issue. If you look closely in some of the firing, you'll see that when I try to clear the gun because it jammed, the 9mm will be sitting sideways in the chamber. So instead of going forward, the 9mm would be sideways. And if you look where I told the cameraman to zoom in, you can see that that round literally went sideways into the chamber. The bolt just struck the round hard enough that it blew it up. It struck the primer and the round went off sideways in the chamber. You can see how the bullet is still to the side of the gun and the whole case just exploded. That's the first time I've ever seen that in a firearm. So just be very careful with Tech 9s because that's as much of a out of battery as I've ever seen. It was so out of battery that it wasn't that it was literally sideways in the chamber, and the round still went off. And you can also see after this video, the quick one where I try to shoot it again, you can literally see that the feed lips were a little too wide. So when I try to cycle the round, when I pull the bolt back, the round would fly up. So it wouldn't be caught by the feed lips. And since the round would fly up, when the bolt would get it, the round would just go sideways. So for now, what I'm having is, again, like I said in the beginning, feeding issues. Right here, you can see closely how the round went off, even though it was sideways, not in the chamber whatsoever. That was a pretty crazy moment right here. You can see the case just broke. And again, you can see how the bullet is sideways. You can see the front right there. It just exploded in the chamber sideways. But again, I would say it was a successful plastic repair because the plastic repair held up. So if you have a Tech 9 and you need to do a plastic repair, be sure to watch my other video so you can get your Tech 9 running. And again, thank you guys for watching.